Also taking to social media there. This is his first social media post that he has put out now on X, thanking the people of Bihar for this resounding mandate that has been handed out to the NDA. It is 204 seats where the NDA is now leading. Their best from 2010 was at 206. Whether they can overtake that best tally, that's something that analysts are watching for. But nonetheless, it is a resounding mandate for the NDA, the BJP emerging as the single largest party. And this is what the Prime Minister has now taken to social media, where he says that this is a victory of development, of progress. This is a victory of Nitish Kumar's Sushasan Raj that we have seen in Bihar. That's something that the people of Bihar have reposed faith in, which is why we're seeing the kind of victory that we have seen in Bihar. 203 seats for the NDA. Remember, these are just leads. There's counting still underway in several constituencies across Bihar. We are seeing several seats that have been declared by the Election Commission, but in several seats there are still leads. But the tally there has been steadily above 200 for the NDA. The Prime Minister there too, putting out his wishes for BJP Karyakartas, for BJP candidates, for BJP supporters on ground who have reposed their faith in the NDA, in the NDA's politics of progress, of Vikas for Bihar, and the paths that the NDA has laid out for the state for the future. We are going to be seeing the Prime Minister at the BJP headquarters in a short while from now, here in the national capital as well. Aman, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more perspective on this. Aman, the Prime Minister there underlining what he has been saying all along on campaign trail as well, that this is about progress, about development and Vikas Raj in Bihar.
Well, absolutely, Poonam, and the Prime Minister saying Sushasan ki jeet hui hai, Vikas ki jeet hui hai. These are the two major mottos that, the NDA followed during this election, that Mr. Nitish Kumar had run a good government, a stable government, a government which was non-corrupt, which worked for the people. Sushasan Babu, the image of Nitish Kumar. Now, the Prime Minister in his tweet, in a way, saying Sushasan ki jeet hui hai, to complement the way the Nitish Kumar has run the government in Bihar for most of the last 20 years. Also saying Vikas ki jeet hui hai, on which the plan that BJP fought this election, that it had brought development to Bihar, it had brought modern infrastructure to Bihar, be it bridges, be it roads, be it railways, every kind of proper infrastructure had been brought to Bihar because of this double-engine government. The Prime Minister also saying Jan Kalyan ki bhavna ki jeet hui hai. Jan Kalyan, public welfare, the rupees 10,000 scheme for women, which has been the game changer, I feel, in this election for the NDA. The Prime Minister saying these public welfare schemes are the ones which have been appreciated by the government. Also saying Samajik Nyay ki jeet hui hai. Another very important term, because in the complex caste arithmetic of Bihar, social justice often gets a very much high premium. And the Prime Minister saying in a way that the NDA coalition was a rainbow coalition of all castes. It represented every caste, and every in a way representation from Bihar was done in that particular alliance, and that is why people have given this huge verdict of 200 plus seats to the NDA. The Prime Minister also saying that NDA ke Rajya ne chautarfa vikas kiya, as I said, the development which has been carried out. He said our track record and has made the state reach new heights, and that is why the people have given us this record verdict. He's also congratulated all the various NDA allies, be it Chirag Paswan, Upendra Kushwaha, as well as Jitin Ram Manjhi. All of the NDA alliance in a way has worked well in this alliance. Every party has notched up quite a good high strike rate. The BJP leading the way, in fact, with almost a 90% strike rate in these elections. The JDU has almost a 85% strike rate. The two leading parties, Chirag Paswan's party also doing well, winning over 20 seats, leading in almost over 20 seats as per the ECI website so far. And the Prime Minister also thanking every worker of the NDA who's worked tirelessly for the last many months to ensure that this victory comes through. In a couple of hours, about an hour and a half from now, Poonam, we'll see the Prime Minister also at the BJP headquarters to meet the BJP workers, where he will be elaborating on this message that he has put out on the social media.
And that's exactly what the Prime Minister's message has been all along, isn't it, Aman? This tweet that the Prime Minister has put out now, a series of them on social media. The Prime Minister there thanking every single party worker of the BJP. It is the booth level workers that work for the BJP that the Prime Minister has also enthused on multiple occasions on campaign trail. Those are the foot soldiers of the BJP that the Prime Minister is taking out time to thank as well, as far as this resounding victory goes. मैं एनडीए के प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ता का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, इज व्हाट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेज, जिन्होंने अथक परिश्रम किया है. ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द हार्ड वर्क दैट हैज गॉन ऑन, नॉट जस्ट ऑफ द बीजेपी कैंडिडेट्स और लीडर्स ऑफ द बीजेपी, बट एवरी single foot soldier at the grassroots level who has worked for the BJP during the BJP's campaign, for the NDA's campaign, to ensure that the NDA returns to power. And Aman, this is exactly what we will be seeing as far as the Prime Minister's address later this evening is concerned as well.
Oh, well, yes, Poonam, that is what we expect. One more important line I want to highlight from his social media message where he said, हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने विपक्ष के हर झूठ का मजबूती से जवाब दिया है. I think he's referring to this entire false campaign, as the Prime Minister is saying, on the SIR by the opposition parties, the entire vote Adhikar Yatra that was taken out by Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav. And Rahul Gandhi kept harping on this SIR issue during the entire election campaign. But look at how the people have answered. The Congress is down to just 4 or 5 seats in this election campaign. The BJP winning 93 to 94 leads as per the ECI website. So while the BJP has notched up a very, very high streak, Congress has dropped to its worst ever performance in Bihar. It shows that the people, the Prime Minister is hinting at, has rejected this wrong campaign, this false campaign of the Congress party. They have completely rejected it. The mandate is not in their favor and the mandate is totally in the favor of the BJP. That shows that people who came out in large numbers, the historic ever voter turnout, of nearly 67-68%, which we saw in Bihar, the women of Bihar, in fact, notching up almost a 72% voter turnout this time. I think that the Prime Minister is hinting at has answered those critics who said that the SIR was a major issue in Bihar. The Prime Minister is saying, हमने हर झूठ का, हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने विपक्ष के हर झूठ का मजबूत जवाब दिया है.
Absolutely. Aman, do stay on with us. Arun also joins us. He's joining in from Patna, where it is a festive mood and for all the right reasons. Arun, any senior BJP leaders are present there, or is it just the Karyakartas, the supporters of the BJP celebrating?
Well, see, Poonam, senior BJP leaders, including Vinod Tawade, who's Bihar in charge, and Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary, they all are here. In fact, right behind me, there is a stage that you can see. It is being prepared for the address of the senior leaders. We are told that Samrat Chaudhary is going to address BJP workers here, and this is, of course, going to be before the Prime Minister's address in the national capital on this. And also before that, Prime Minister Modi has put out that post on social media thanking every worker of the NDA, because it is because of these workers who have really worked, toiled on the ground for this victory, and that's something which they were expecting from Prime Minister Modi, and he has put out that post thanking all of them and also saying that the Vikas development agenda will continue in Bihar. And this is before he's going to speak in Delhi. And on that side, you can see this is the entry gate. It is completely chock-a-block situation here. Let me quickly go across to a few BJP workers here, especially the women workers of BJP. आप बताइए मैडम, जो ये जीत हुई है भाजपा की, इसमें कहा जा रहा है कि महिलाओं का बहुत बड़ा रोल है, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने वोट भी बड़ी संख्या में दिया है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
हाँ भैया, यहाँ महिलाओं का तो बहुत ही बड़ी मेहनत है और हम लोगों ने काफी मेहनत किया है और महिलाएं डट के बाहर निकली हैं. मैं गौतम बुद्ध मंडल से मनीषा पाठक.
आप लोगों ने महिलाओं को ज्यादा से ज्यादा वोट देने के लिए क्या कुछ किया, कैसे जो है वो अपनी,
बस उनको घर घर जाके निकाले हैं, उनको प्रोत्साहित किए हैं कि इस बार हम लोग की जीत निश्चित है.
10,000 वाली जो स्कीम है, 10,000 स्कीम जो बिहार में काफी जिसकी चर्चा चल रही है, वो कितना एक जो है वो कारगर साबित हुई है?
देखिए, एक सीधी सी बात, आपका प्रश्न कुछ भी होगा, जवाब एक ही होगा. यह स्वतः स्फूर्त आंदोलन था. महिलाएं खुद से घर से बाहर निकली, उनका पैरामीटर विकास था, महिलाओं की सुरक्षा थी, महिलाओं की आत्मनिर्भरता थी.
है कि जो आपका वोट बैंक नहीं था, जो शायद महागठबंधन का या आरजेडी का था, उसमें भी आप लोगों ने सेंध लगाई है महिलाओं में या और लोगों में?
देखिए, ये आपके प्रश्न जाल में हम लोग नहीं उलझेंगे. महिलाएं जागरूक हैं और महिलाएं समझ रही हैं कि उन्हें क्या करना है. ये सब जो आपकी भाषा है मीडिया की, उसके लिए जय श्री राम.
अच्छा, आप बताइए कि इन्होंने तो कह दिया कि जाल में नहीं फंसेंगे. आप बताइए कि इतनी बड़ी संख्या में वोट करना महिलाओं को और इतना बड़ा जो है वो नंबर मिलना आप लोगों को, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो महागठबंधन का भी सपोर्ट बेस रहा है उसमें भी आप लोगों ने डेंट किया है।
बिल्कुल किया है, और महागठबंधन यही हम लोग के तरफ से महिलाओं के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है। नीतीश कुमार का सरकार आएगा, मोदी सरकार आएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा काम और भी आगे होगा। जैसे कि आगे आप लोग देख ही रहे हैं कि कितना बड़ा बड़ा काम हुआ है जो कि आज तक कभी हुआ।
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV 18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.